Hi everyone, this is Erin from Sandpaper Road, and this is the Seaside Greetings paper collection by Craft O'Clock. We're going to start with the 12 by 12. There are 6 sheets in here, and we have the back of the packaging has little cut-aparts. This is 250 GSM. Look at that. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. A little step up from your traditional nautical type vacation beach. It's really eclectic and super, super nice. Love the color palette. That is the 12 by 12. You get 6 sheets there. The 8 by 8 has 24 sheets, and the back of the packaging is different. It's got square cut-aparts, which I really like. Other than that difference, you've got essentially the same designs, scaled down to 8 by 8 for your 8 by 8 projects, your mini albums, your tags, scrapbooks, and then it repeats the design. So 24 sheets here, and this is actually 190 GSM. It's a little bit of a lighter weight compared to the 12 by 12. And you get 4 of each design in this pack. These are the extras. These are fussy cut elements, and you could also use a electronic cutting machine. Love that on the back of the packaging. So great. Beautiful nautical, and you'll notice these are double-sided images. One side of the paper has like a little bit of a contrast background. That way if you're using a cutting machine, it cuts a little bit cleaner because it can see that difference. And the other one is just plain without it. Nice flowers. This was actually designed before they started separating the extra sets and the flowers sets. So there's only one essential extra set, and it comes with lots of extras, flowers, leaves. Here you've got lighthouses and ships and boats, along with your horseshoes and fish. This alone, to me, I could see myself, even if you didn't get the other packs, this would complement a lot of your other things that you might already have in your stash. This is just a great buy. Look at the turtles and the dolphins. I didn't want to overlook that. And the anchors, the great little pieces to make like your banner, seashells, and then it repeats. We're getting into the repeat. So you get, let's see, this is 18 sheets here, and you get 2 of each design, and this is a heavier weight. This is 250 GSM. Finally, we have the Junk Journal Extra Set for Seaside Greetings, and this is also 250 GSM, and you get 2 of each design. Now these, it might overlook your eye, you might pass over them, but they are actually, when you cut them out, they have perforations. I'm not sure if you can see, but you can fold in. They're already pre-cut that you can fold in and make a corner pocket. So if you are making a mini album or something like that, same with these, you fold in the tabs and then it's a tabbed pocket. It's really, really nice. And the back of it has a pattern, which, with the exception of this being the back of the cover sheet, but this is nice too, because then if somehow it sticks through, or you get to see it through on the other side, then you have a nice pattern on the back. Or you could just choose to use the pattern on the back. It's like a bonus pattern. Here's cut aparts. This is really for your mini album delight. Truly, look at that in the back. The tickets and the timepieces. I feel like this also would coordinate super, super amazing with the Flower Fiesta collection as well. You've got like a similar color palette going on. Look at that. Look at the tags and the little rulers and the bingo cards, the tabs. Can you just already picture the project that you're going to make? Look at that. Look at that on the back. Just wonderful. A big, big oversized tag, and then a line of tickets, some more little pockets, and then it repeats. You get another batch of that all in the junk journal set. Thanks so much for watching the video and checking out the paper collection. This is a little bit of a limited collection, but there's still plenty left in the shop. When it's gone though, it's gone. These collections come from Poland, super high quality. And thanks so much for subscribing to the video. Check out the other paper collections while you're here. There's a nice playlist. You can just watch all the way through. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.